Alright YouTube, here we have a 1991 Chevrolet Kodiak C6000 with Cat 3116 and a 5-speed manual transmission. It's about 30 degrees. We're going to do a cold start. Wasn't very exciting, but it's a cold start nonetheless. This thing runs pretty good. She doesn't like to run when it's cold though. She likes to warm up for a little bit, where you just get in it and drive it like these new trucks. You actually got to let this one warm up. We got to get a new windshield. We're going to take that visor off. Pump some new tires. The front tires look good. We could use a set of back tires. Give it a paint job. Do a little bit of fabrication work on this bed here. We don't like these sides. I'm going to cut them off. I'm going to build some rub rails like we have on the Big Tex gooseneck. Might keep the stacks, might do away with them. I don't know yet on that. Might just do an exhaust up the side over here or something, I don't know. But I'd like to be able to put hay on this thing and stack it all the way up to the front. Yeah, I know we can put heat shields on it, but I don't know. Just going through all the options right now. I'm fixing to pull it around there and work on the trailer brake box and get it all fixed up, so I got some hay to deliver this week. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video.